92, 87, 5-5, the second free throw. Good job, 93, 87. 23 seconds to go in this ball game. Harold, nagmamadali. Alisal, and Harold. Miss, pati gets its own miss. May ball na dun. May ball on. Cartid. Madali lang, di pa pinalitan. 5 balls yung napal. Meron sila ng 1 minute. So, ayun, si Rivera. Bumalik. Okay, 2 free throws for Harold Dallas. First free throw. Oh, pagod na. Iba mo yung pulso. Second free throw for Harold. That's good. 93-89. Babay sa pagkalaman. Pressure on the backcourt. Out of bounds. Wala na tayo shot clock. Okay, Justin Nova. Okay, tayo na pala. Pasa. Kumayari. Pasa ulit. Almost tayo. 11 seconds to go. Para bounce play. Okay, Justin. Foul by number 7, Esguerra.